Okay, and here I am explaining question number 6 of exercise 4.1, okay, of chapter trigonometry, measurement of angles. Okay, and another simple questions, and your question is given that the four angles of a quadrilateral are in AP, and the greatest angle, the measure is 120 degree. We have to express the angles in radians. Okay, here the four angles of a quadrilateral are in AP. Let four angles of quadrilateral in AP are A minus 3D, A minus D, A plus D, and A plus 3D. Okay, and here the angles are, let us angle be in degree. Let this angle be in degree. Understand or not? So your sum of the four angles of quadrilateral A minus 3D, all of you know 360 degree. So A plus D and A plus 3D is equal to 360 degree. Sum of the four angle of quadrilateral. Okay, so you see minus 3D plus 3D will be cancelled, and minus D plus D will be cancelled. Here A plus A plus A plus A, 4A. So 4A is equal to how much? 360 degree, and that implies A is equal to 90 degree. The value of A is 90 degree. Okay, and here the greatest angle, it is given the greatest angle. What is the greatest angle? The greatest angle is given 120 degree. Yes or no? Here the greatest angle is what? A plus 3D. Here A plus 3D is the greatest angle, which is 120 degree. Okay, here the greatest angle is A plus 3D. Okay, so A plus 3D is equal to 120 degree. That implies in place of A write 90. Okay, so 90 degree plus 3D is equal to 120 degree. So that implies 3D is equal to 120 minus 90 is what? 30 degree. So D is equal to what? 10 degree. D is equal to 10. So we got D is equal to 10. Here A is equal to 90 and D is equal to what? 10 degree got. Then you find out four angles, and the four angles of quadrilateral are, okay, and the four angles are, you see one angle is what? So let's see, let the first angle you write down, first angle. Okay, and here the first angle, one angle is A minus 3D. The value of A is 90 minus 3 into 10. So it will be 90 minus 30 is 60 degree. Understand? And here to convert to degree into radian, all of you know the 180 degree is equal to pi radian. Yes or no? So 1 degree is equal to pi upon 180 degree, 180 radian. So while 60 degree will be 60 into what? Pi upon 180 radian. So you can cancel 6 3s, which is pi upon 3 radian. Is it clear? Okay, understand? So second angle, the second angle is what? A minus D. A minus D means 90 minus 10 what? 80 degree. So 80 degree means here 80 into pi upon 180, 0 0 cancel. You see now 2 4 ja, 2 9 ja, and which is 4 pi upon what? 9 radian. Okay, understand? 4 pi upon 9 radian. Is it clear? 2 4 ja, 2 9 ja. And third angle, here third angle how much? Is given A plus D. 90 plus D means 10, which is 100 degree. Yes, 100 degree, and this 100 degree is equal to 100 into pi upon 180, 0 0 cancel. Here we cancel 2 5 ja, 2 9 ja, and which is 5 pi upon 9 radian. Okay, is it clear? And last, fourth angle. The fourth angle given, you write down the fourth angle here. So fourth angle is equal to a plus 3d. A plus 3d. The value of a is 90 plus here value of d is 10. So it will be 30. It will be 120 degree, which is the greatest angle, and this 120 degree into pi upon 180 radian. Yes or no? So you can cancel here. 0 0 cancel. 6 2 ja 12. 6 3 ja, which is 2 pi upon 3 radian. Hence the four angles of quadrilateral are, so we got the four angles of quadrilateral in radians are, yes, very simple question, how to convert. Hence the four angles are in radian. First angle given what? Pi upon 3 radian. Second angle given 4 pi by 9 radian. And third angle given what? 5 pi by 9 radian. And the fourth angle given 2 pi by 3 radian. So this is the four angles of the quadrilateral in radian. Okay, students, is it clear? Understood? Note down, all of you. Okay, thank you.